Hello, this is the first video about Rysino FPGA development board. In this tutorial, I will show you how to program board with test bitstream. Test bitstream can be downloaded from web page. So now board is connected to USB for power and also to USB blaster programming cable. So first is to start the Quartus Prime programmer. Now you can see that USB blaster is detected. We can also check if hardware is ready. Click Auto Detect. In board, there is SA FPGA, so click OK. And now we can see that our FPGA is successfully detected, but it's not needed. Just click it and delete. And now we can add file. Here I've got board test SOF file. Click Open. Here the setup is already created. We can see that we check program and configure and click Start. Now here is information that programming is successful and board is running now. Thank you for attention. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and please let me know in comments what other stuff will be useful. Thank you for your attention.